Actually, when I'm trying to stop at the left, it is giving me continuous vibration saying that the vehicle is in
Blind spot. It means even in the mirror it will tell you when someone is close. That yellow mark is an indicator that somebody is close to you.
Okay.
Blind spots.
This as well. Is 4 disc brakes or
This is all disc.
all disc?
So whether you have this display on
Okay,
That
yeah,
only you
actually.
can see. Nobody else can see that.
Okay,
so
actually.
you get the small glass now to see the speed.
Yep.
But here you don't have the glass, it will project
Directly on windshield.
It's
Yeah.
integrated into the windshield.
Integrated, yeah.
it's pretty clear also.
And only you can see that. I can't see, he can't.
Even if his seat sit behind the driver's seat.
No.
Okay. What are these holes for in this seats?
Sorry?
What are these holes?
They are the ventilated seats.
No, not that one. This one.
Behind the seats.
Behind the seats.
Oh, that is for your phone. You can
Okay,
just
okay. You can keep the phone
keep
and
the
keep
phone
the phone
there and
charging.
charge it on.
Or is it wireless?
No, it's wired charger.
Okay.
You have 65 watt charging there. High speed charge.
Okay.
65 is like MacBook Pro wala charges.
No, you can even actually it is meant you can play your laptop with that with the C type charger.
It has ADAS 2 as well, I believe.
This has ADAS.
So is it accurate now?
Yeah, it is.
So
Are you feeling it? Yeah, Yadash.
I don't know. I never experienced ADAS, so I don't know how even it works. This is top model XCV9E.
This is XCV 9E, right?
XCV9E Pack 3. 33 lakhs.
This is on road.
33, 32, 33.
Subsidies are closed now, right?
Now you still get that RTO free only in Maharashtra.
Only Maharashtra.
You don't have to pay extra tax, RTO tax.
RTO taxation.
That is the only
And what is the claimed range for this?
claim in the sense the ARAI is 650.
650.
Yeah. But on road you get about 500 to 550. Depends upon.
Now you're running. You're trying this from like 2-3 days.
I'm trying it for 2 nights now.
2 nights.
Yeah.
Okay. But there is a discussion going on that it's actually not saving the money. EVs.
Whoever is saying I won't agree with.
Okay.
Because I already use a EV for the last 2 years now.
Okay.
Yes.
You're using which one?
400.
400.
The EV is
So previously when my son used to go to college every day to Alandi, I was spending almost 4,500 per week on fuel.
Okay.
Now I spend
ऑनलाइन से
zero.
जल्दी जल्दी में फ्रूट्स एंड वेजीज ऑर्डर किया तो
I don't know, Anna.
कोई के लगती
it do spends a lot of money. She saves a lot of money. No? I don't know why he is
so stable.
There is zero on fuel. Maintenance is zero. The service charge for 10,000 kilometers is about 1500 to 2000 rupees.
Minimum, yeah.
That's it.
For this, okay.
All that he does is top up the coolant for the AC. That too hardly maybe 50 ml or something. Other than that, brake oil. Brake oil top up is like another 100 rupees.
Okay.
Plus cleaning, brake drums cleaning. There is a very limited mechanics in this car anyway.
All sensor.
So if somebody is saying it is not, at least my personal experiences, I don't agree with.
Okay, okay.
We just tried one simulated experience to see how it will work if I have to go to Hyderabad.
Okay.
It was not a good decision, but it was a good experience.
In foldable, you're saying?
Yeah, in the Ford. And the entire trip costed me, of course, excluding the toll, when it comes to like fuel, charging and all, just about 2000 rupees.
2000 rupees.
That's it. Whereas if I burn the fuel on my 700, I take 2 tanks, at least 1.5 tank to go and come,
Right.
which is 7,500 rupees.
Right.
So where is 2000? Where is 7,500?
True, true.
Look at just the fuel comparison.
And no vibration, so no fatigue.
For fatigue, you will never get it because these are not those engines, are combustion engines where you feel somebody is
Right.
trying to run you, right?
True,
It
true.
feels so seamless.
True.
And also fatigue is a combination of multiple things.
Can I try the ADAS?
Everyone is just.
ADAS should be on, right? Does it not say?
I think you need to get near the vehicle in front of you, and then it should brake automatically or something like that.
That it is doing
Okay, that it is doing.
a little bit, I think.
So then,
Wondering where that is. 60 camera, gear sliding, Android Auto, after auto talk, climate driver.
No, that's
okay. Lane assist.
I'm not sure if it is doing or not.
It is already there. Warning, okay. It is only in warning.
Warning it is giving.
So let me make it assist now. Level.
I think it should just stop or something.
Maybe we should stop it.
No. It is not. I think lane assist is already on. Driver attention is on. This is also giving you speed limit is there. Pollution warning is also there.
So if that blind thing,
This is also
will it warn inside the car?
yeah, it will stay in its own lane.
Brother, are you seeing this car? Volvo
This is
C40
Volvo, yeah.
electric.
Yeah.
That's Volvo.
Electric Volvo.
Yeah.
Mercedes electric. Everyone is in
Everybody
electric
has
now.
electric. Everything is active. I think that those will work when you put it onto a cruise mode. So you have to select the cruise.
True, right.
Then the
right.
lane assist will work.
Right.
So cruise control is basically you just drive in a constant speed.
Yeah,
Mhm.
so cruise control driving style.
You don't have cruise control in your 700?
Yeah, it is.
No, Yutesh.
I don't know.
You,
I
okay,
don't
you
know.
didn't ride. Okay.
My sir is the top model. Mine is I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, mine maybe I don't have. I don't know. Not that I need one because I ride very less.
Yeah. Actually, I've experienced it. You don't need cruise.
You
Eventually.
need- Cruise control is very beautiful when it is on the highway.
True.
So I should not be proud about what I am saying, but we were driving back from the Mahakumbh